DIY and lifestyle expert Denise Wild is here with a festive guide to meaningful and tailored giving this holiday season. Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Thanks for coming in.
'Tis the season.
Yes, it is. You have a bevy of things that we're going to get into today. I'm looking forward to it.
Lots of fun things, including something DIY, because I love a DIY gift this time of year. And this is actually a box of Mercy chocolates that I have customized and personalized. You'll see here it says, Zoe, you brighten my day. This is one of my daughter's friends, a neighbor, and we basically took these little wrappers. It's free printables on their website, and you can type in your own message, best neighbor ever, and then wrap the individual chocolates. So I'm going to have you do this.
Yeah.
Here's one of the things, and you can have, I love spending time with you. There you go. That's what yours says.
Well, thank you so much.
They have so many free templates and more project ideas at mercy.ca.
Okay.
And it's more than the chocolate. It's about, you know, giving something thoughtful, something meaningful, you know, to anyone who will brighten your day.
That is so sweet.
It's an inexpensive gift. It's beautiful and elegant. And, you know, this is a perfect gift for teachers, neighbors, maybe your favorite barista.
Yeah.
And it's just about elevating, you know, making them feel good and bringing a little bit of special touch.
These personalized gift ideas go a long way.
Exactly. It's saying merci for being you, and just a reminder that everybody deserves to be celebrated.
All right, what's next?
Okay, next up, let's create a little gift basket based on somebody's interest. So, you know, maybe it's some little baking things for the foodie.
Yeah.
Maybe it's some beauty items for the person who loves to spoil themselves, but it's basically about coming up with something that will fit their tastes and fit their needs, and just wrapping it up in a beautiful package. And here's a great tip for gift giving this year, because we're all looking for ways to make our money go a little bit further.
Yes, thank you.
So PayPal, a brand that millions of Canadians already trust and use, they have their buy now, pay later solution called Pay in 4. It allows shoppers to split eligible purchases into four no interest, no fees payments, 4 equal biweekly payments over a period of 6 weeks, no interest, no fees, period. And then you can find that online at Sephora, Expedia, Ticketmaster.
Yeah.
And so it's just a way to help to stretch your dollar,
Great idea.
you know, help to manage your budget this holiday season. You can find more information at paypal.ca/pay4.
Okay, we got 90 seconds.
Oh, okay, I'll talk faster.
We have an elevated gift here. This is cool.
So this is one of those gifts that takes you every day and it elevates it. This is the Water Pick Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser. It's proven to remove 2 times as much plaque as the regular floss.
Yeah.
You know, it's clinically proven to remove 99.9% of plaque. Effective as regular floss. Great at taking away everything that causes cavities, gingivitis, bad breath. And this is, you know, precise pulsating water pressure from the #1 selling brand endorsed by dental professionals, suitable for anybody who has implants, crowns, veneers.
Nice.
And if it doesn't end up under your tree this year, it's going on sale on Amazon from January 10 to 17.
Nice. We have just under a minute.
Okay, just under a minute. Here, now, this is
Headbands.
a game you might be familiar with.
Yes.
So this is something that, you know, always putting a game under the tree. I love a game at Christmas time.
Can you see mine?
I can see yours. Can you see mine?
Yes.
Okay, let's guess then.
Okay, you go first.
Okay, am I an animal?
You're not.
Am
No.
I a food item?
You are a food item.
Okay, am I a dessert?
No.
Am I something healthy?
Yes.
Okay, am I broccoli?
No, close.
Pizza?
No.
No, pizza's not
You got 10
healthy.
seconds.
Okay, am I don't know.
You're a carrot.
I'm a carrot. Okay, what about you? Go, go, go.
We got to go. Denise, thank you so much. What am I, by the way?
You're a horse.
Oh, I'm a horse. More Morning Live after the break. That's so much fun.